This surprising act of kindness will warm your heart and remind you that goodness still exists. In a world where negativity spreads quickly, integrity can feel rare, but it's not gone. It is still here, quiet, steady, powerful. Have you ever seen someone choose honesty when it would have been easier to walk away? Not for applause, not for recognition, just because it was right. An ordinary situation could have ended in frustration. It could have turned into selfishness, but instead, someone chose character. They choose kindness, they choose integrity, they choose to do good when no one was watching. And in that moment, something shifted. The atmosphere softened. People paused, hearts opened. Because the word reminds us in Ephesians 4, verse 32, be kind and compassionate to one another. This is so beautiful. Kindness is not weakness, it is strength under control. Integrity is not outdated, it is protection. The Bible also says in Proverbs 10, verse 9, whoever walks in integrity walks securely. When you choose honesty, you walk in peace. When you choose what is right, you build something solid. Character becomes your shield. Every act of kindness plants a seed. You may not see the harvest immediately, but something is always growing. The person you help may carry that encouragement for years. The honesty you show may inspire someone else to act with courage. The integrity you live by may, protect you from battles you never even see. Goodness multiplies, it echoes, it travels further than you can ever imagine. In a culture that often rewinds shortcuts and selfishness, choosing integrity is spiritual strength. It is a declaration that you refuse to compromise who you are. It is alignment between your values and your actions. Small acts create big waves, mind you. Returning what isn't yours, helping without expecting anything back, standing for truth quietly. Now, these are the moments that restore faith in humanity. So let this be your reminder today. Choose kindness when it's inconvenient. Choose integrity when it's uncomfortable. Keep doing good even when no one applauds you. Because what you build in character today becomes the legacy you carry tomorrow. And if this message touched you, share it. Let's make goodness louder than negativity. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one, and I hope this helps to elevate someone. Come back tomorrow for another elevation moment. Thank you, and bye for now. Bye.